Alright, good morning guys. So I just made my iced Americano. I need the energy because I got a lot of things to do today. So I need to go some store to do some shopping and get some stuff, and then also I gotta go wash my car because my car is so dirty. So yeah, today is gonna be busy, and I thought that'd be fun to take you guys with me. So yeah, come spend my day with me today. Right now it's like 12:30 p.m. and I'm leaving my house in like 10 or 20 minutes, and then I will spend my husband's lunch break with him. Do that make sense? Yeah, I will be spending his lunch together because he likes to chill together in the car, in the AC, because it's so hot outside. Yeah, so for now, I'm just gonna enjoy my iced Americano. Look who's here. Can you say hi? Baby. No, say hi to my bro. Alright, so my husband here, we're gonna spend a lunch break together. We just got some drink and a snack from the mini mart, and this is what I got. When we went to the store last time, they had a mango passion fruit, something. Yeah, they had a mango, and that was very good. And I was gonna get that one, but they didn't have it, so I got this blueberry aid instead. I know I'm supposed to be getting the cup that has the ice in, and then just pour these things into the cup, but they didn't have a cup with ice, so I'm just gonna drink like this. Oh, it's so sweet. Can I try? Yeah, that's good, but I like the other one better, the mango one. You wanna try, Elena?
Try.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, you say hi? Hi. The ocean right there. This is one of our favorite spots to just park and chill. It's kind of hidden spot, so it's not like a lot of people here, and it's very nice. Time to go back. Bye bye. Just go. Alright, see you later. hot. Like, it's like I'm in the microwave, you know? And we have no drinks here, so I think we're gonna stop by at the Starbucks and grab some drink before we go some shopping. But yeah, let's go get some drink. I was not gonna spend any extra money, but you know, I love spending money. I just got a waffle for Elena. There you go. And also this matcha tea latte. And also this is for myself. I got a sugar donuts, but I will share with Elena. I'm not gonna eat all of it. Or I might even save like a little bit later for Athena when I come pick up. When I come pick her up. But girls, cheers! Oh, it's yummy. Can I have some of your waffle? Yes. This morning, I wasn't recording, but I made Elena sausage egg cheese quesadilla, and I also cooked myself some like a spicy ramen. But I didn't get full. I'm hungry already. It's 3:30 p.m. right now. I'm gonna try this donut. It's so cute that it's in the cup. Sugar, it's so crunchy, and every time when I bite the sugar I get chill. Oh my gosh, it's like you accidentally put the egg shell in your egg and you bite it. I don't know if that's a good example or not, but it's like that. I get chill. It tastes good though. It's yummy. There's so many sugar on my seeds. Oh my gosh.
Bruh.
Okay, so I have like 1 hour and 20 minutes before I can pick up Athena from her daycare. I don't know if that's like enough time for me to go buy some stuff. So, okay, there is 2 minimum things that I need to buy. So I need to get my friend's birthday present, and also I really want to go get my sandals, because my sandals that I am wearing at the house is like broken, like all ripped, and it's so bad. It's like messed up. So I need to get my new sandals. And there was more thing that I wanted to go buy, but I don't know if I have enough time. I thought I have like a lot of time, but I guess not. But yeah, the first priority. Yeah, first priority thing that I need to get is my birthday. Not my birthday. My friend's birthday present. Well, let's go get that birthday present for my friends. Okay, I just came back to the car, but guys, Elena pooped at the store and it smelled so bad, so I kind of like ran away as I leave the store. I wanted to stop by another store to get my sandals, but Elena was so stinky and I left my diapers and everything in the car, so I just had to come back to the car. But anyway, I got my friend this gift, and I got her hand cream, and they all smelled so good. I was not gonna buy any for myself, but you know, It smells so good, so I just got one for myself too. And, oh, it's not even on my kids now. So good. Okay, so now that my hands are moisturized, I'm gonna go pick up Athena. I know it doesn't make sense, but anyway, we gotta go pick up Athena. Let's go. Look who's here! Hi! Say hi! Alright, we were playing at the outside for like maybe 30 minutes, and I got a lot of mosquito bit. I got bit by mosquito a lot, and my body is so itchy. But anyway, we came back to the car, and we still have like a 20 more minutes until my husband get off with work. So we're just gonna kill the time by eating the donuts from the leftover area. You want donut?
Yes.
Okay, sit down. No, you don't want it? Okay, this is mommy's then.
It's mine.
Do you want to eat?
Mama.
Does it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Only helping.
Help? Sit down, stay.
Okay. You butter Jordy.
Mama, thank you.
Butter.
Alright, ready to eat?
Too many butter to you.
Oh yeah, Elena, you too. Sanitize your hands. Thank you. Alright, donut for you. Sit down and eat, please.
It's hot.
It's not hot. You want it to? I see.
No. No.
You're too close.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, guess what we got for dinner today?
Where are you sitting at?
McDonald's!
You sitting right here?
Yeah, I was going
Elena.
to cook teriyaki chicken for
Sit down.
dinner,
Over here.
but
Sit
we
down.
only had a one chicken thigh, and only one chicken thigh is not going to be enough for family of 4. There was a lot of points in my app that we can use for McDonald's, so we were like, okay, let's just use this point for us to get McDonald's. So pretty much we got a free McDonald's for dinner today. Okay, I got myself this samurai burger. This is very good. This is my favorite. Look at this cute package of the Pokemon. The girls got their Happy Meal. I feel kind of guilty that we be eating McDonald's a lot, but it's just too hard because McDonald's is just right there. Like it's literally just right there. McDonald's. I can tell you they just fried it. It's fresh.
Chances of success are 20 to 1. Never doubt it. Is your wife so cool? Jack Nelson.
Hey.